Hey guys, my name is Steve. Welcome to WilmerWoodworks. I've been monetized for 7 months now, and when I first got monetized, my first question was, how much money am I actually gonna earn? Show me the money! So I'm here to tell you exactly what my journey's been like, how much money off of AdSense I've made, and some tips and tricks and things that I've learned going through the journey and the grind that I can share with you.
I've been around, you know.
I got monetized on YouTube in October of 2024. At that time, I had around 80 videos. Some were shorts, but I had just started posting shorts daily, and I was aiming to release 1 to 2 long form videos per week. It took a lot of time and consistency to get monetized on YouTube. And once it happened, I was really curious, what does a small creator actually make on YouTube? So I tracked everything. And now that I've been monetized for 7 months, here's exactly how much I made, what worked, and what I would do differently. Here's a month-to-month breakdown of my YouTube AdSense. Month 1, $283. Month 2, $365. Month 3, $151. Month 4, $56. Month 5, $48. Month 6, $44. Month 7, $58. That adds up to a total of $1,003.98 in YouTube AdSense. My best month was November, when I earned $365.09. And most of that came out from my laser ornament tutorial video. That video picked up a lot of views heading toward the holiday season, which is probably why my earnings have dropped since. A few key things definitely influenced how much I earned each month. And honestly, it wasn't just about how many videos I posted. The biggest factor was what kind of video I posted. That laser ornament tutorial earned more because it was seasonal, useful, and had a higher CPM due to the topic and timing. I also learned that not all views are equal. Tutorials and product-focused videos tend to do better with advertisers. Meanwhile, casual and general videos might get views, but they usually earn less. And while shorts do get views and help grow your audience, they don't earn much. The RPM on shorts is way lower than long form videos. So if you're looking to make money through ads, long form content still matters. Now, while I earned just over $1,000 on YouTube AdSense revenue, I also earned $1,570 and change through other income streams. Sources like Etsy, Cults 3D, direct sales, craft shows, Amazon affiliates. A lot of that came from featuring products or files in my videos, and then linking to them in the description. For example, digital file sales picked up after I showcased finished laser projects. My Amazon links did better when I showed the tools or products in action. If you're growing a smaller channel, this stuff adds up fast, and you don't need tons of viewers to earn from it. If I could go back and give myself some advice when I was starting, this would be the advice. Start multiple income streams early. Don't rely only on the AdSense revenue. Make searchable content. Tutorials, reviews, useful builds continue to bring in views every day. Don't wait to be perfect. Just start posting and learn as you go. You'll get better and your audience will grow with you. And the most important thing, don't quit too early. It took time, but once I started to see traction, it was incredibly motivating. You don't need a viral video to succeed. You just need to be consistent. Useful content and a way to monetize the value you're already creating. So after 7 months of being monetized, I've made $1,003.98 from YouTube ads and $1,570.29 from other income streams. It's not full-time income, but it's proof that this can work, especially if you're building smart and staying consistent. Next for me, I'll keep posting 1 to 2 videos per week, uploading shorts, and focusing on content that helps people, from DIY to laser tutorials to shop organization. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you out or gave you some ideas, please leave a comment below. And if you're into DIY or maker content, please consider subscribing. I've got a lot more coming. Till next time, my name is Steve and this is WilmerWoodworks. Thanks for watching.